Introduction to AI. Welcome to our session on AI. For the next 10 minutes, we'll introduce you to the basics of artificial intelligence, or AI, and how it's already impacting our daily lives, often in ways we may not even notice. So, what exactly is AI? Artificial intelligence refers to machines or systems that perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include things like understanding language, recognizing patterns, making decisions, and even solving problems. For example, when you ask Siri or Alexa for the weather forecast or to set an alarm, you're interacting with AI. These systems recognize your speech, interpret your request, and respond in a meaningful way. In short, AI is when a machine behaves in a way that would normally require a human brain. You might be surprised by how often you encounter AI in your daily routine. Let's look at a few examples. Netflix recommendations. Ever wondered how Netflix knows what shows or movies you might like? That's AI at work. It analyzes your viewing history, compares it to others, and makes personalized suggestions based on patterns it finds. Google Maps. When you're using Google Maps to find the quickest route home, AI is analyzing real-time traffic data, road conditions, and even your driving history to predict the best path. Amazon recommendations. When you shop on Amazon, AI suggests products that you might be interested in based on your previous purchases and browsing habits. It's trying to learn your preferences and make personalized offers to improve your shopping experience. These are all examples of AI making decisions based on the data it has learned from. Now, let's discuss the difference between AI and traditional software. Traditional software follows a strict set of rules defined by its programmer. It executes specific tasks, but it doesn't learn or improve on its own. AI, on the other hand, learns from the data it processes and gets better over time. This means AI systems can handle tasks that aren't based on a simple set of instructions. For example, AI can recognize patterns in customer behavior to predict what they'll do next, or it can adapt to new challenges like a self-driving car learning to navigate different road conditions. So, the key difference here is that AI is dynamic, it learns, adapts, and improves. Traditional software is static, it follows the same rules over and over. How does AI actually learn? Most modern AI systems use something called machine learning. This is where we provide the AI with data, and it uses this data to learn patterns and make decisions. For example, let's say you're using AI to detect spam emails. Initially, you provide it with a dataset that labels certain emails as spam and others as not spam. The AI system looks for patterns in these examples, like specific words, phrases, or sender information, to figure out how to classify future emails on its own. The more data it gets, the better it becomes at spotting spam. Unlike humans, AI doesn't need explicit rules for every single task. It identifies patterns from the data and makes predictions based on what it has learned. There are different types of AI, but two of the most common are narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI. This is what we interact with daily. Narrow AI is designed to perform a specific task, like facial recognition, product recommendations, or driving a car. These systems can be highly intelligent within their specific task, but don't operate outside of their defined scope. General AI. This is the concept of AI that can perform any intellectual task that a human can do. General AI is more futuristic and is still in the research phase. It would be like having a computer with the same problem-solving capabilities as a human, but we're not quite there yet. Right now, most AI we interact with is narrow AI intelligent systems designed to handle specific tasks. What's really interesting about AI is that it's not just about following orders. AI systems are increasingly being used to make decisions. In many industries, AI is being used to assist humans in making better decisions faster. For example, in finance, AI helps detect fraud by analyzing transaction data to flag anything unusual. In healthcare, AI is being used to analyze medical scans to assist doctors in diagnosing diseases earlier. AI systems look for patterns in data and make predictions or recommendations that help humans make more informed choices. But it's important to remember that AI isn't taking over decision making, it's enhancing it. In many cases, AI helps by handling the routine, repetitive tasks, so humans can focus on more complex or creative work. One of the most powerful aspects of AI is that it improves over time. Because AI systems are constantly learning from new data, they get better the more they are used. Take the example of self-driving cars. Every time a self-driving car navigates a new road or faces a new situation, it's learning from that experience. That data is fed back into the system to make future driving safer and more efficient. Similarly, every time Netflix recommends a show and you watch or don't watch it, the AI learns more about your preferences, fine-tuning its future recommendations. In this way, AI is dynamic and continuously evolving. It's important to remember that AI isn't here to replace humans, it's here to work with us. AI is great at handling large amounts of data, spotting trends, and automating repetitive tasks. But it still relies on humans for creativity, strategic thinking, and emotional intelligence. Think of AI as a tool to enhance what you already do. For managers, this might mean using AI to help analyze data faster and make better decisions. For marketers, AI can automate customer engagement, allowing you to focus on crafting better campaigns. The real value of AI comes when we combine its strengths with our own. AI is all around us, from the products we use to the services we rely on. It's a powerful tool that's reshaping industries and changing how we work. But what makes AI unique is its ability to learn and improve over time, making it a valuable partner for human decision-making. As we move forward, understanding AI's basics will become essential for everyone, not just tech experts. It's a tool that, when used properly, can make our lives easier, our businesses more efficient, and our decisions more informed. Thank you for joining this session, and I hope you now have a clearer understanding of AI and how it's already impacting your life.